Electric cars are changing how we drive. But what if your car could charge itself using the sun? Today, we're exploring electric cars and solar cars, how they work, their features, prices, insurance, and whether they're really worth it. What are electric cars? Electric cars run fully on electricity. Instead of an engine, they use an electric motor and a large rechargeable battery. You charge them at home, at public charging stations, or with fast chargers that can power up the battery to around 80% in under an hour. Most modern electric cars can travel between 150 to 500 kilometers on a full charge, depending on the model and battery size. What are solar cars? Solar cars are electric cars with an upgrade. They include solar panels, usually on the roof. These panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, adding extra range throughout the day. On sunny days, solar charging can add 20 to 60 kilometers of free driving, especially useful for daily city trips. Features: electric vs solar, electric car features. Smooth and silent driving, instant acceleration. Large touchscreens and smart dashboards, advanced safety systems. Mobile app control, regenerative braking that saves energy. Solar car features: built-in solar panels, reduced dependence on charging stations, extremely energy-efficient design. Lower electricity costs over time, ideal for short daily commutes. Both types still support plug-in charging, so you're never stuck without power. Price range: electric car prices vary widely. Entry-level electric cars are the most affordable and designed for city use. Mid-range models offer longer range, better interiors, and more technology. High-end electric cars cost more, but deliver luxury, performance, and extended driving range. Solar-assisted cars often start affordable, but advanced solar models can be premium due to newer technology. Insurance and running costs. Insurance for electric and solar cars can be slightly higher than traditional cars. This is mainly due to battery value and advanced electronic components. However, running costs are much lower. No fuel expenses, less maintenance, fewer moving parts, lower service costs over time. Many owners save significantly. Advantages: zero tailpipe emissions, quiet and comfortable driving, lower long-term costs, future-ready technology. Things to consider: charging availability, battery replacement cost. Solar cars perform best in sunny conditions. Electric and solar cars are no longer the future, they're the present. Whether you want efficiency, savings, or energy from the sun, there's a smart option waiting. That will be discussed in another video. Comment for next video. Like the video if this helped. Subscribe the channel for more tech content. And comment, electric or solar. Which would you choose?